one of the songs that I learned, my Uncle Ernie, who was up at Pełu. Pełu means lake. So in Lit we got a lake called Pełu, which is lake. Well, when he was up there, some elders came up to him and they asked him to do a song. And he was like, what? Because this was not long after he started drumming. Like, he did a lot of power drum, but he never did a lot of hand drum. So they said, yeah, we want you to come up with a song. So the song he came up with, so that's the full verse. But what I did, I added words to that song. Words I added like Hakukti Skʷu Hoksteya Huyantestama Me adding words to his song, like that's my song that I made up. So when I sing that song, I start off the way Ernie does it, and then I do a verse with the words. And when he goes through that song, there's a part where, like, when you do the verses twice, and he's like, oh he oh he oh he oh he oh he. So that's the way Ernie does his songs, like when he does that one. But because I added words to it, I really messed him up one time. He never heard words added to the song. So he kind of looks at me, what the heck?